Hello everyone, my name is Shoaib. I'm an Indian qualified lawyer practicing law in UAE since last 12 years. Today we will talk about how employers and employee can manage their expectations in these tough times. As you already know that the companies are struggling with their revenue as they are having less work due to this COVID-19 pandemic situation. UAE government has acted fast and brought in a resolution which can support the private companies and bring stability in the employment market. So let's see what are these resolutions. Ministry of Human Resources and Amiratization has issued the resolution number 279 of 2020. It is important to note that this resolution is applicable to mainland companies of UAE. It is also very important to note that this resolution is applicable to the companies who are affected by the preventive measures taken by the governmental authorities. So what this resolution does, it allows the private sector companies to restructure their relationship with the non-national employees, and it allows the restructuring on a gradual basis, meaning that the companies has to follow the list which is provided by ministry gradually. First in the order is implementing a remote work system. If it's possible, the company should be allowed to work remotely. The second in the order is granting the employees paid leave. That can be deducted from the employee's annual leaves. No consent is required to be taken from employee for this paid leaves. Next in the order is granting unpaid leave to the employee. For this, employee's consent is necessary. If both parties agree, then only unpaid leaves can be granted. Next, what can be done is the salaries can be reduced temporarily. In this also, both parties' consent is must, meaning employee and employer need to mutually agree that the level of decrease and the period of decrease of salary. It also necessitates signing of an addendum to the employment contract in the format provided by the ministry. These contracts should be signed in two original copies. One should be retained by the employer, one should be retained by the employee. Later on, when the ministry asks for it, the employer should be able to provide that copy to the ministry. The last step is to permanently reduce the employee's salary. For this to be done, employer should seek employee's approval as well as an advance consent from the ministry, as this will require changes to be made in the registered employment contract of the employee with the ministry. If the salary is reduced permanently, also employer should carefully consider what effect it will make on the gratuity entitlements of the employee. Will the gratuity be calculated on the original salary or the reduced salary? This needs to be carefully considered by the employer. If within this period the employee is quarantined, then no salary can be deducted for this period, as that period needs to be deducted from employee's sick leave entitlement, which is mentioned in the UAE labor law. If the employer wants to terminate the employee, then the employer needs to register the employee's detail on the virtual labor market, which is the portal of which is provided by the Ministry of Human Resources and Amiratization. And until the employee finds an alternative employment or is able to leave back the country, the employer is obligated to pay all of his allowance except the basic salary. For example, the housing allowance, the transport allowance, and any other allowance. This needs to be paid by the employer to the employee. Until when? Until he finds an alternate employment or is able to leave the country. All these arrangements which we have discussed previously is only applicable during the period where the resolution is valid. Until when the resolution will be valid, we don't know. The ministry will notify depending on the situation and when the normalcy cripples back. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you like me to clarify on more queries, please let me know in the comments box below.